Good morning, students. Yesterday, I explained you the two paragraphs of the lesson 8, A Great Leader. Today, I will explain you the third and the fourth paragraph. First, I will read the third paragraph and explain you. Then, I will read the fourth paragraph and explain you. Keep your finger, point out the word as I read the paragraph. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. Just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course, he could. But this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Children, I told you, Gandhiji was very firm in his decision. He decided to pray early morning, and from that day onwards, he is to pray early in the morning. Now, Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth. He is to always speak truth, never speak lies. Simplicity and non-violence. Non-violence means not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. Just a loin cloth. That means a dhoti worn above the knees. That is Maharashtra people wear dhoti in Maharashtra also. And sometimes a shawl. He is to wear sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course, my dear students. He was from a rich family. He could afford all these things. Now, as you see in a picture, he is with a suit. But why did he do this? Why did he change his way of dressing? But this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. Deliberate choice means planned or done on purpose. How did he come to make this choice? Why did he do this choice, my dear students? Now you will see this in the next paragraph. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women flock had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Look, my dear students, he is to go to different countries, different places to give lectures. Now, what lectures? How to win independence for our country. So, he had gone to Odisha to give a lecture. And when he is to give lecture, he is to always see men and women gathered to hear his lecture. But in Odisha, he saw there were no women to hear his lecture. Now, he made inquiries. That means he asked people why there are no women flock, or why there are no women to listen to my lecture. People from there told him that their women were very poor. They had no enough clothes to wear. See here, decent thing to wear means appropriate clothes for the occasion. Whenever we have some function, we have occasion, we put the best of best dress, right? But these people told Mahatma Gandhi they had no decent thing to wear, and therefore they could not attend the lecture and they never attend any functions. Hearing this, Gandhiji was deeply pained. Deeply pained means very unhappy to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. And from that day he said, no, I will wear nice dresses when my India will get freedom. And even all the women flock should get a decent dress. This was his intention, my dear students. And from that day, he decided to wear dhoti. Be it cold or hot, he never changed simple dress. See, my dear students, how much he loved our country. Though it was hot, though it was very cold, he never changed his simple dress. His simple dress was a dhoti and sometimes a shawl. Did you understand, my dear students? Now, read this page 16 and understand the lesson. This is enough for today. Thank you.